Good morning, guys. It's DJ Stocks back for another episode. It's Thursday, 10/16, October 16th. It's 9 o'clock. We're pretty much done for today. We're on autopilot. We'll talk about why. Market is up. Good day. It's a good day. The NASDAQ's coming back. Market's up with how much here? Market's up 85 points. And we're making money today, so we're just on autopilot. Let me bring the music down and we can start with the show. There you go. There you go. We're on our quest. We've got lots of quests here. One of our quests is to make $60,000 with our portfolio on a monthly basis, which we seem to be doing pretty well. We've already hit it once this month, dipped down because of the trade stuff, and now it's back. My portfolio is up about 16K this morning, and it's at 67 for the month. So we're on autopilot because of that, and also because of earnings reports coming out. I did do one trade today. I sold 25 shares of Goldman Sachs because it's such a expensive stock, and they had their earnings report. They hit their numbers, but it's just laying there. It's doing nothing. It's like flat. So I had 125 shares. I sold 25. I still have 100 of Goldman Sachs. What I did was, excuse me. What I did was I sold the 25 of Goldman, and I turned around, bought 25 more of Meta, which is about the same price. But Meta's got a earnings report coming up in the next couple of weeks, before the 29th, I do believe. There's a whole host of companies with earnings reports coming up. There's Meta. There's American Express tomorrow, which we got some of that. That's like a weird stock. I don't know. I thought it would be doing better. It's just kind of hanging there too. Microsoft. I think NVIDIA's got one the first part of November. We're very rarely, and Google too. I've got like 650 shares of Google. Google and NVIDIA are my main squeezes. Those stocks perform pretty well. NVIDIA's taken a little bit of a break. We've been buying some of that as it dipped down into the high 170s. It's starting to come back, starting to assault its all-time high again at like 189. It was like at 190 at one point or something, not too long ago, and then just kind of deflated. So, of course, that's a good thing too, because we were selling some of it at the top, and now that it's taken a rest, we bought a little bit lower. We took a $10 profit on some of the shares, basically, because we were bought and wrote it up and got rid of it, and bought it again once it went down. So that's day trading. That's day trading. Buy and hold is dead, my friends. Dead. So, and I bought some of this stuff yesterday too. Some more of this. This is at an all-time high, and I don't know. I heard that maybe they found some solutions for the short squeeze in London, but it's at $52 a share, or $52 an ounce, and gold is 42 and change, $4,200 and change. It's crazy. It's crazy what precious metals are doing. So not only are we trying to make 60K a month for ourselves, trying to show you guys day trading skills, such as watching these earnings reports. You can approach an earnings report in one of two ways. You can either buy in ahead of time, or you can wait for the earnings report to come out and react to that. Because sometimes, really, the second approach, what you do is you wait for some good numbers, but the stock to go down. That's an opportunity there to jump on that. Sometimes that's the best approach. And that's been happening quite a bit the last 6 months, where a company comes out, they hit their numbers or they miss them slightly, and then they get clobbered. They get clobbered. And there's no reason for them to get clobbered. It's just that the market overreacts. I keep saying this. The market overreacts. And we did that with FedEx. We did that with Lilly. And here to tell you, Susie Q Slots made a killer trade with Lilly after I got out. And that's one. Look at that one. That's one stock that their earnings report came out about 2 months ago, and they got clobbered. They were down like $160 in one day. And they turned around, came back within 2 to 3 days halfway. So that's an opportunity. That is an opportunity. So that's how you can play some of these earnings reports. The other thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that the stock is a quality stock, which most of these stocks that I'm mentioning are quality stocks. Microsoft, Google, NDVDA, all high, awesome quality stocks, and your risk of being fleeced of your money is pretty low. So there's some tips for you today. As I said, we're pretty much on autopilot here in the month of October because I've got positions on a lot of these stocks with earning reports coming up, and I've deployed enough of my capital that I have that I'm not selling anything and I'm not buying anything. I'm just kind of holding pat for the next couple of days, I do believe. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I think tomorrow, end of day, American Express is going to have their quarterly report. I think we have 100 shares of that. So we can make some money. Hopefully we'll make some money on that, but not too much, just enough. So that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you're watching the show here. Hope you're having some fun. Hope you're not screaming. I hope you're making money. It is easy to make money, guys. It is easy to make money, and you also maybe want to rub the belly of your... You got a Buddha? Do you have a Buddha? Maybe you want to get a good luck Buddha like me, and you rub his belly every day, and that helps sometimes. That helps. So, DJ Stocks here. Like, share, subscribe. Hope you're joining us and learning something about making money, because that's what it's all about, making money. Over and out, DJ Stocks.